Hey, it's Mike again with Throttle MAXX side-by-side gas pedal accessories. We're here today doing the installation and demonstration video of the Throttle MAXX kit for the RZR 800s and 900s from years 2009 to 2014. In your packet, you'll get your Throttle MAXX pedal for the RZR 800 or 900. You'll get your metal hardware, and you'll also get our brand new floor filler plate to fill the floor hole in the RZR. This has a floor mat on it, but it doesn't matter. The floor filler kit will slide right into place and snap right down into the factory floor holes that are there. You'll notice on these new Throttle MAXX pedals, we've got press nuts on the back, so you don't have to worry about holding those in place. You're going to want to get your hardware set prior to putting it on. You're simply just going to slide this up into place with the toe clip where it sits. And then put your hardware in place. You can use a Phillips head screwdriver. See how that fits the gas pedal? It'll change your foot position, give you more control and more comfort as you're riding. We've got the floor filler plate in place, so it gets your heel up there where you need to run the brake or any other pedals at your comfortable place on the gas pedal, and you can see that you can get full throttle and your foot's in a much more comfortable position. We're really excited to announce the release of these new Throttle MAXX pedals for the older 800s and 900 RZRs. Again, they go from 09 to up to 14. Go to throttlemacx.com, check out our new Polaris floor filler plates and our new Polaris RZR 800 and 900 pedals.